equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver. These will be essential for disassembling your Dyson SV22. First, unplug your vacuum cleaner to ensure safety. Next, locate the screws on the back of the unit. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull the back cover away from the main body. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open slightly if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips during this process. Now, you will see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the unit. This will help improve the performance of your new motor. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Next, locate the screws securing the motor in place. These are typically Torx screws, so grab your Torx screwdriver. Remove these screws and gently lift the motor out of its housing. Be careful with the wiring connected to the motor. You don't want to damage it. Once the motor is free, disconnect the wiring harness. This may require a bit of force, but be gentle to avoid breaking any connectors. Now, take your new motor and connect the wiring harness to it. Ensure it's securely attached before proceeding. With the new motor in place, carefully lower it back into the housing. Align it properly and replace the Torx screws to secure it. Make sure everything is tight, as a loose motor can cause issues later on. After securing the motor, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it with the main body and press it into place. Replace the Phillips screws you removed earlier to secure the cover. Now, it's important to test your vacuum cleaner before putting everything away. Plug it in and turn it on to ensure the new motor is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Finally, if you prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. With these steps, you should have successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson SV22. Enjoy your revitalized vacuum cleaner. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.